Today we are doing the strawberry legs. Yes, you heard that right, strawberry legs. I like to think the best way to get rid of strawberry legs is by exfoliating with a dry brush, drinking lots of water, and moisturizing with something that is non-comedogenic. We are using Sexy Smooth Wax Hypnotic Purple Seduction. And we are using this wax because a lot of you guys have been reaching out to me about someone complaining about this wax. I want you all to remember that not every waxer is going to like every wax. Sometimes it takes me 3 or 4 times before I actually like a wax, or sometimes it'll take you, 8 to 10 times going through different wax brands before you actually find the one that you like. That's just what it is. So don't let one person's opinion change your mind on something. As you can see here, I'm having no issues using this wax. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It's drying fast, applying good, taking the hairs out. That is all that matters to me. Now, most people forget to apply pressure when they're laying down the wax. Most people apply too much wax and it's super, super thick. Like maybe that's what she did wrong when she used it. I don't know, but I know that I have no issues with this wax. So therefore, her opinion does not matter. The wax is still 50% off. You can go ahead and use code WAXandQueen for an additional 20% off and stock up and bulk up. I have a YouTube video that I'll be dropping soon and doing a bikini Brazilian wax, so look out for that, guys. And don't forget to use that aftercare when you're waxing your clients. I mean, look at that leg. How dare she say this wax is no good?